There we go. Bye-bye.
Is it going? Is it going?
It's going.
Okay, it's full of explosives. Are you ready to make it?
Been here for a shitload of time collecting.
Get in a good spot. Get in a good spot. Are you ready, people? Are you
The
ready
biggest
for the
explosion on Crackdown.
On three. Stop throwing grenades on three. 1, 2, 3. Throw grenades! Throw grenades! Throw grenades! Oh! 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 That was
Holy
sweet.
shit.
That aftermath. Achievement unlocked. Yeah. 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 Ah!
The bus didn't go anywhere.
No, I didn't even move. Whoa! That was cool.
Yes.
I shouldn't have died. I would have got an achievement. I get to do the vantage point next time. Did you get the whole thing?
It's still going.
Tell us in the camera. Tell us in the camera. The makers of the video. Get Joe in the camera.
No,
You
no.
want to be in the camera?
If he doesn't want to be,
And Joe? Lance and Joe?
no. I'd say Lance and Joe.
Camera out.
And we're out. Video 2 later.